Dimensioning terminology. Before we start using our dimension tools, we need to learn our terminology. And it's slightly different than some of our terminology we've used in the past. But let's start with our dimension line. Our dimension line is this horizontal line that goes across right here. This horizontal line is our dimension line. It's really what's being measured. And then we have our dimension text. That's this value up here is our dimension text. It's 10 foot 4 inches is our dimension text. We have our tick marks. Here we have what's called architectural ticks. These are at the intersection of the dimension line and then our witness lines. So here is our dimension line going sideways. Our dimension ticks are going at a 45-degree angle. And our witness lines are these vertical lines here. These things are called witness lines, and they are what is being measured. It's actually giving us an indication that it's going from the edge of this wall to the edge of this wall is the extent of what's being measured is the witness lines. You might have heard of these as extension lines in the past. But Revit uses the term witness lines. And we also, when we click on it, we get a lock down here. This is our lock control. We can lock this dimension, so this dimension can't change. We also get, from the end of that round dot, from that drag point, we get a witness line gap. So we must have a visible gap in there by drafting standards. So we can also have a drag for the text. So we can move the text around, and we also have drags for the ends of our witness lines and drags to move the witness lines around, etc. So we can move those things around if need to. We can move these things and move our text by grabbing onto those drags, and then we can move those text around a little bit. Okay, so dimensioning terminology, once again, dimension line is the horizontal line, dimension text is 10 foot 4, tick marks is the diagonal ones that at the intersection of our dimension line and witness line. The witness lines are the vertical lines that show the extent of the measurements.